to the end of the video to see the exhaust difference video, however you want to say it. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and turn on post notifications, because anytime I post something with the Lexus, it's going up. And remember, hashtag save the Sancho. I'm just kidding, don't hashtag that shit. That's only me. So I just got pulled over. I was taking pictures of the car and forgot the plates were on here, but they were super cool about it, so they're letting me go right now. But yeah, that was a stupid move. Fuck. Everybody, so it's now the morning time. So every morning what I do is I take vinegar shots. Helps cleanse your body, and it's good for the kidneys and the liver as well. I don't know if you guys seen in my previous videos, I drink a lot, but I haven't been drinking really at all. Trying to take more care of myself. I'm gonna start going to the gym too as well. I thought this would be kind of fun to put this on the YouTube channel. This is my last bit I got left in the jar. So basically what it is, it's raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. It has to be with the mother. I don't know what the fuck the mother is, but it has to be this kind only. Nasty as hell, I hate it, but it's good for you. So ah, fuck! Look at my fucking face, my eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that was brutal. Oh, there's still a little bit left. Oh fuck, man. God, I hate this shit every morning, man. And your breath stinks, so you gotta brush your teeth right after. And that's what I do every morning. Man, it sucks. Anyways, it's good for you, so that's why I do it. I thought it would be pretty funny to put this on the channel. Well, right now what we're doing is we're gonna go to Andy's shop. It's a classic muffler about the Lexus. We agreed on Tuesday, but I don't think we agreed on a time. We're gonna go over there and see when's a good time to go over. And by the way, I'm running out of tires. Tire shop is making bank off of me because I keep buying tires. Up guys, it is now the next day. So right now is we're gonna stop, I guess, at McDonald's. Gonna grab something to munch on right quick, and then I can't wait to see what today's got in store for us exhaust wise. All right, so he wants me to bring it in, bringing out the blocks, lowered car friendly. I like that.
Right side a little bit.
Right side a little bit?
What happened? Making noise.
Oh, it's ball joints are dry. It's good right there, Andy? Alright, for sure. Yeah. Love it. Very easy.
Sometimes. You know, right? Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes easy, sometimes not.
Yeah.
Depends.
Yeah.
Huh?
Just like that. My friend Alan.
Oh, I see.
Alan and Tony. Same car as mine, but white. I'll show you a picture.
Make it clap, clap, clap. Make it clap, clap. Make it clap. clap.
You understand?
Yeah, be careful.
Be careful. Who make an X pipe for you? H pipe for you?
The X pipe? Oh, I don't know. I bought it that way.
Oh, you buy
Yeah. What do you
You
think,
buy it?
Andy? It's gonna be loud?
it. You buy it or no loud. Maybe you need a muffler next time.
My neighbors love me.
Are you sure?
No, they don't. Alright, so it's done. As loud as I thought it was gonna be, so I guess that works out, right? Sadly, coming off of the lift, broke my oh so costly, expensive zip ties. Once again, another tire. Super bald. I don't know how many times I'm gonna have to keep getting tires in the rear. I think this is my third set this month. I don't know, man. There goes the guy, my buddy Alan. He's the one that showed me where the exhaust place is at. So today has been a really sick day. Not sick as in bad, but like it's been super awesome today. I am completely satisfied with how the car sounds. So yeah, I mean it was super awesome. And then we got a tire, so let's just hope they don't burn out again. But yeah, man, today's been a super great day.